Chewy. I got the Biggie cheese. And it's like super cheesy and juicy. It kind of spurts in your mouth. You want to try it? That one probably does too when you buy it at the dollar. No. Alright. It's hot. The burrito is good though. It's hot. It's fresh. What was it called? Is it Junior Burrito Chili Wrap? That's definitely burrito. That's good. Try that. Get you some of that. Don't be scared. You need a drink? You want to stick it to your teeth? What's that? What? The wrap. Yeah. That's what I said. Yeah.
Chili cheese junior wrap. Can I have a bite now?
Oh, you ready now? Jacket. Juicy. They got like stuff squirted in there.
Really
Is
good.
that a jalapeno? Yeah.
That's really good.
Is that pickle? Ew. Are you having a problem chewing that up? What? Did you get the pickle? Yay!
How about that?
No, I'm getting it. You know about it?
Is that an onion?
Where? Did it sit in there? It's good though.
It really is.
It says half pounders. 2 patties, cheese, and another patty. And onions and pickle. I don't know if it's bacon or not. Maybe barbecue sauce.
Cheese sticks.
Yeah. Try some cheese sticks. Snap.
Where's the sauce at?
I don't know. Oh shit, no. Oh, yeah, dump it out. Anyway, they grabbed the wrong thing. There we go. Oh, yeah. Alrighty then. No.
Hold up and baby, like the only love after lost and lonely ones ever swam against the tide. Thinking this is your oasis, it's the safest of the places that a broken heart can find a hide. So here I toast coast to coast with a big old adios to wishes wasted on them falling stars. We're gonna spend the weekend in the deep end of the dying bar. It's just chapter after chapter of happy never after, but that's just the way the story goes. Forcing hearts to believers where I'm
Spectacular.
on the sleeve,
It's good.
just going where the neon glows.
Well, that's what you ordered anyway. Why?
He was,
Hell.
maybe not cheating before.
Maybe not.
That chick that walked out one.
Break up and bono. You not trying? Are you not eating one of this?
Yeah. You want some more? Come on. Get one.
Oh, give me some. Yeah, here it is. Rich.
In the morning and make sure you're getting downloading the BBITM podcast
Premature like that.
or the Apple Podcast section, or find the link online at kfun.com.
Girl, you got those jeans just right. I know you didn't mind like that, so baby, don't even try that. You dance, oh, you move like there ain't nobody watching. Girl, you know I'm watching, don't lie. You got it all figured out. That smile, that's got me.
That's not a whole nother thing in there.
No, that was mine.
I have it for you. Seriously. Because I'm getting tired.
You move a little closer, closer. Girl, I gotta get to know you, know you. Everything about you makes me want you, want you. Know what you're doing, baby, don't you, don't you? You've been looking over here all night. And when I look, you look away. Oh, I love the little games you play. I bet you didn't mean to brush my hair when you walk by me, like you didn't mean to drive me crazy. Don't lie, you got it all figured out. That smile has got me spinning around. Don't even try. Acting like it ain't no thing.
And your ring's pretty good. Jay on one.
Closer, closer, girl, I gotta get to know you, everything about you makes me want you, know
Well,
what you're doing,
These are the actors we agree to disagree.
I'm not a fan. You want it?
Yeah, we're in a band. What?
You want that?
No, you dissected it. Look at that one. That's a curly onion.
Huh?
Curly Q. We got two different spots here and over there. You don't have to bite it. Oh, wait, no. Whoops.
Okay, you do that.
Mm.
Huh?
I can see you move closer, closer. Girl, I gotta get to know you, know you. Everything about you makes me want you, know what you're doing, baby, don't you?
At the big 107.9 K-Fine, let's turn it up loud now. Your country sounds like this.
About was nice and racy. Bro, I still got 3 left.
Good luck.
Yeah, considering you still have that date.
Huh? No, those are yours.
You said it was yours.
No, sir.
Yes, you did.
Yes, sir.
You want to replay that?
What are we talking about? What are we talking about?
A Frito chili cheese, that thing.
No, those are yours.
You said that one was yours. Yes, sir. You did.
When you find it on the video, you let me know. Because if it's not on video, you don't have it in writing. I'm actually done with these interviews. Okay, I'll just put it in that bag. How's that? That works. You want to try some ranch? Yeah, but I have it.
Get one of those.
They're like stuck in my
There's
bag.
2 left.
I don't want that. Look, I still got this damn burger. I got a third of a burger left. And it's not a little burger.
I don't know about
Okay. You want the rest of it?
no. That is some good shit. That's some good shit though. What's the name of it?
Big cheese. At least that's what the sign said. I felt stupid saying it, but they knew what I signed it.
Yeah, it came up on the screen. I'm in my lip.
What? Here, this burger don't eat your lip.
I still got 2 cheese sticks left.
This burger don't eat your lip. I got some meat right here. No, right here. Don't eat it right. Sex swing.
We gotta go to Walmart. We gotta go to Walmart.
You do?
Yeah.
Why?
Stronger.
If you're renting your home or apartment, you need to call Rob Taylor to protect everything inside of it. If you don't, you could lose thousands of your hard-earned dollars replacing your
Guys,
belongings. Don't wait for a storm or an accident to tear apart your home before insuring your family's property. Make sure that all of the things that make your house a home are taken care of before disaster strikes and it's too late. Call Rob Taylor and find out how to protect your belongings today. That's 520-6161.
might have a food coma now.
6161.
Plato's
Yeah,
Closet
it's
has
funny.
the current trend you want, but up to 70% less than retail prices every day. Stop in and stock up on the latest
Oh, why are
gently
you so
used
sick,
styles for guys and girls at Plato's Closet. Don't miss your chance to see how much you can save today. And going on now, when you buy a $50
Right,
Plato's
Morgan?
Closet
What you
gift
call
card,
me?
you'll receive $10 off a purchase in January. See store for details. Plato's Closet is at the corner of Ray Street and Fair Park Boulevard. Learn more online and on Instagram.
For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. If you choose to drink and drive, here are the consequences.
Fun Jane, man.
You will go to
What is
jail because you've committed a crime. You will be
Jane.
restricted to driving with an ignition interlock. Your actions can cost you thousands of dollars. You could kill or injure yourself or others.
Yeah.
Think about the consequences. Drive sober or get pulled over. Paid for by the Arkansas State Police Highway Safety Authority.
Joining the jolliest bunch of Red Wolves this side of the ridge for an A-State men's basketball conference matchup with Louisiana at 7 p.m. Wednesday, December 18th in First National Bank Arena. Come dressed in your best ugly sweater and help us celebrate 30 years of the holiday classic Christmas Vacation. Arrive early for prizes
this
and
jacket on.
giveaways. Santa will be in attendance.
Oh,
Secure
yeah.
your seat today. Visit astateredwolves.com/tickets
Just tied them on.
or call 870-972-2781.
I felt this
Nobody's walking out on this
black sleeve come around and smack it. What the fuck? It's got 2 layers, so I only put my arm in one layer. So the other layer was like flapping around.
Mostly cloudy for tomorrow.
I guess you had to have been there for that.
Mostly cloudy and 37 tomorrow night.
Stop there.
Alright, Sonic.